In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add connectors detached from shapes in draw.io. Start by opening the draw.io site and heading to your main dashboard. I'm assuming you're already signed in and that you have a diagram or board ready to work with. Our goal is simple: create connectors that do not lock themselves to shapes, so you can keep lines flexible and freely reposition them without snapping. To demonstrate, add a shape beside your existing content. On the left sidebar, open the Basics section. Pick a shape you like and drag it onto the canvas near the part of your diagram you're working on. Position it where it makes sense for your layout. You can always refine the placement later by dragging the shape or nudging it with your arrow keys for precise alignment. Now click the shape you just added. You'll see small arrow handles appear around it. These are connection handles. Here's the key move. Click one of those arrows while holding the Alt key on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, use the Option key. Keep holding Alt as you drag toward your main shape or data on the board. Release to place the connector where you want it. Holding Alt while creating the connector tells draw.io to keep this line detached, meaning it won't snap and anchor itself to the target's connection points. Take a moment to align the connector so it looks clean. When you're done, test it. Select and move the other shape, and notice that the connector remains independent. You can separate the shapes, and the line won't automatically latch on. It stays flexible and adjustable. While the arrow handles are still visible, you can click and drag the connector's end to reposition it wherever you need, keeping that detached behavior. Now, here's a useful comparison. If you delete that connector and recreate it by clicking a handle and holding the Shift key instead, draw.io will produce a standard attached connector that snaps to the target's ports. This attached version won't remain detachable in the same way, so you'll feel the difference immediately as it locks onto the shape. To recap, to keep a connector detached, click a connection handle and hold Alt, then drag to the other shape. If it snaps, undo and try again, making sure you're holding Alt before you release. Zoom in for precision if needed, and if you don't see the handles, reselect the shape to make them appear. That's it. Go ahead and try it now. Congratulations.